Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use XLS to get the mark sheet percentage. Like example, in a school there are the 10 student presents, like we have to add 10 student name, roll number, name, and having the subject like physics, maths, science. Okay, and example, he gathered one student number one, and the name is Ram, and the physics subject score he gathered example 85, in maths 92, and in science 75. Okay, so the obtained marks, total obtained marks are, we have to plus this plus this plus this. From the three subject he gathered around 252, and available marks, total available marks are example 300, and percentage, we have to extract percentage now from this. Like, just click on equal to button and just click on obtain marks by total marks. It can showing 84%. Sometimes it's showing in points or decimals. In that case we have to click this percentage button. We can get this information of the gathered percentage marks.